Welcome to Tally Help videos. In this video, you will learn how to restore the backup of a company data in Tally Prime. Your accountant may share the backup of a company data with you after verification and adjustments. Or if you are an accountant, then your client may share the backup of a company with you for verification and modifications if required. Moreover, you will need to take backup of a company data because of data loss due to virus attack or system crash. In such cases, you will need to restore the backup of a company data. Let us see how to restore company data in Tally Prime. In Tally Prime, click Data on the top menu or press Alt-Y. Select Restore and press Enter. Under Restore Destination Path, specify the path where you want to restore the data. At a time, you can restore data to only a single folder path. Copy the folder path and paste it under the field. You can also select the folder using Select from Drive. Press Enter twice and the path will be selected here. Under Company Name, select the companies for which you want to restore the backup. Go to Specify Path and paste the path to the folder where you have the backup. Press Enter twice. You can now see the companies in the selected path. Select Backup of the company that you want to restore and press Enter. The selected company name will be shown. You can select other companies from different folder if needed and press Enter. If you want to restore all backups in a folder, then select All Items and press Enter. Once you have selected all the companies for which you want to restore the data, select the End of List and press Enter. Press Y to accept. In case a company data with the same number already exists in the folder, then Tally Prime will display a message. You can continue if you want to overwrite the data. However, it is recommended that you restore data in a different folder rather than overwriting. Once you complete restoring the backup, you can see the company data file in the Restore Destination. You can open the company and continue your work. As you saw, it is very simple to restore backup of company data in Tally Prime. Thank you. For more information, visit help.tallysolutions.com.